Here's some Augustan Age trivia. Subscribe. What was the major event in 1660 that restored the monarchy in England? Is it A, Restoration, B, Gunpowder Plot, C, Civil War, or D, Glorious Revolution? The correct answer is A, Restoration. What political structure characterized England during this period? Is it A, constitutional monarchy, B, feudal system, C, absolute monarchy, or D, republic? The correct answer is A, constitutional monarchy. Which philosopher's ideas influenced Augustan thought? Is it A, Karl Marx, B, John Locke, C, Friedrich Nietzsche, or D, Plato? The correct answer is B, John Locke. Who authored the Dunciad as a satire of literary culture? Is it A, Jonathan Swift, B, John Milton, C, Alexander Pope, or D, Samuel Johnson? The correct answer is C, Alexander Pope. What was the main artistic movement during this period? Is it A, Neoclassicism, B, Impressionism, C, Baroque, or D, Romanticism? The correct answer is A, Neoclassicism. Which famous scientist published Philosophiæ Naturalis Principia Mathematica? Is it A, Isaac Newton, B, Albert Einstein, C, Charles Darwin, or D, Galileo Galilei? The correct answer is A, Isaac Newton. Who is known for his essays in the Spectator? Is it A, Joseph Addison, B, Samuel Johnson, C, John Locke, or D, Richard Steele? The correct answer is A, Joseph Addison. Which historical figure became the Prime Minister in 1714? Is it A, Neville Chamberlain, B, Robert Walpole, C, Benjamin Disraeli, or D, William Pitt? The correct answer is B, Robert Walpole. Which battle in 1690 marked the beginning of British predominate in Ireland? Is it A, Battle of Clontarf, B, Battle of the Boyne, C, Battle of Aughrim, or D, Battle of Londonderry? The correct answer is B, Battle of the Boyne. Who is recognized for creating the form of the modern novel in this age? Is it A, Charles Dickens, B, Jane Austen, C, Daniel Defoe, or D, Mark Twain? The correct answer is C, Daniel Defoe. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.